How to call people on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Now, you can simply tap on the search bar on the bottom of your screen and then go ahead and search for the individual whom you want to call, and you will see the option for message in their profile. Tap on it, and if you have contacted the person before, you will see the call icon on the top right of your screen. So you can simply tap on the call option in order to make the audio call option, or you can tap on the video call option if you want to make a video call. So this was about how you can make a call in Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.